I am very, very fortunate. I am with you. I bow to you. God exists in each and every moment and structure of yourself and in all creations. Let us try to understand that all persons of the world, they are trying to solve problems of the human being. We have made a system, bureaucracy, administration, and the government, and many other things, education department. So many things we have made, our judiciary system, in order to make life happy. But why we are not happy? What is problem behind that? And try to think of bureaucrats, especially bureaucrats in India, how they work, in what style they are working. You cannot believe. At present, before getting a post in the bureaucracy, in administration, they are having big list how much they have to earn, what they have to do. Before joining, automatically they have planning of earning more and more. They think whatever salary is, that is like pension. Whatever they get out of the salary, that is the real salary for them. This is the situation. Then there is no mistake of these officers. There is a mistake in system, mistake in selection, in education, in what way they are selected, what type of education they have. This is the mistake. Then we need change in system by giving punishment to these bureaucrats who are disturbing the society, who are helping mafia, and by using the mafia, they are creating a split, they are creating fight everywhere. When both groups fight, they take bribe from both and they give some portion to mafia. This is what is happening. What if they do it? Then why they are doing it? If they are sent to the jail, or you suspend them, or you terminate them, this is not going to solve problem. Termination of these corrupt officers is not solution. Try to punish them, it will not solve the problem. Send them in jail, it will not solve the problem. You have to change the system. It is not their mistake. They are not having proper training, how to help others, how to do justice, how to become good administrative officer. They do not have training, and what kind of training they have, that is completely illusionary and false, and it cannot help to anyone. Therefore, we need a change in system. And what kind of change we need? How to start it? Let us think about a house, a building, a mansion. You want to create a strong building. Then what is the foundation? How to do it? You have to make nice foundation. If foundation is weak, you cannot have big building. Then we need big foundation, nice foundation, free from earthquake, free from fire, hazard, anything. And on that foundation, there should be wall. That wall should be earthquake proof, fire proof. On that, you will keep on making building. Building will be strong. Therefore, we want a nation. And we want a nation, and we want change system. How you bring change? How to start it? Let us find the foundation of a human consciousness. How to get foundation, and what is the foundation? When you are alone, then try to think, help from some unknown. Sometimes you call unknown as God, as creator. You call sometimes unknown as nature, or as a power, as a cosmic consciousness. We are having different names. Therefore, what is that invisible power whom you want to seek strength, patience and courage? That is the foundation. Where is my foundation? To unknown, which we call God, power, which we call anything. The concept behind God and concept of religion has created big problem in humanity. Our foundation is weak. What is the concept of God? When you know the concept of God, and then all should get connected. When you practice a religion, all should get connected. But when you practice religion, you feel separated. I'm Muslim, then I will remain Muslim throughout. Then I'm Christian, I will remain Christian throughout. I'm Hindu, I will remain Hindu throughout. This is called permanent separation in the name of religion, in the name of God. This is not the lifestyle, this is weak foundation. Separation is called like earthquake, like fire hazard. Therefore, we need a good concept. We need the real concept behind God. And God is omnipresent. Then how to seek God within my own existence, within my head, within my face, within my neck, within my arm, within my chest, abdomen, back and both legs. I have to seek God within. I have to seek God in this space. I have to seek God in air, in fire, in sunshine, in you, in plants, in animals, everywhere. When you start seeking God everywhere, then you cannot insult that creation. You cannot damage that creation when you are seeking God in that. That foundation we want, true concept. And it is written in Scripture. A real duty of God is having no problem of any kind. Then how to become real duty of God? How to demonstrate this is the technique to become real duty of God? Then we need this foundation. Our foundation on religion, on God, on spirituality should be correct. If our foundation is correct, is very correct, is based on the principle of truth and non-violence, then you will realize all branches of the human life will be automatically good. Then how to correct it? What is true concept behind God? What is true concept behind religion? Keep on reading book, you cannot understand. Keep on listening lecture, you cannot understand. Now we have time-tested technique, Kriya Yoga meditation. When you practice it sincerely, you will have real concept about God, about religion. You will have real concept how to seek God within and around. The moment you start seeking God within and around, you will be charged with all principles and laws about everything. How to make nation great, how to change politics, how to change business, how to change everything, how to change education system, how to make everybody healthy. This will be very easily available to all. Then what we need? Kriya Yoga meditation, a scientific practice, and how you will get it. I will meet you. I will be able to serve you very easily through this lecture. You can understand it very clearly if you are having real interest. I will meet you again and again unless this India is changed, and India should have the glory of Divine Mother, like Mother India. India should feed and provide all services to all countries of the world as Divine Mother. This is what we want India, and we have treasure in this. Just practice Kriya Yoga meditation sincerely. You will know truth behind each and every action, behind each and every sentence, what you read, what you speak, behind each and everything what you see. Then what we need? Kriya Yoga meditation, because it brings realization, truth behind everything. Then after that you will know how everything will be changed. In short span of time, in future, I will keep on discussing about all points. How to change education system, how to change medical system, how to change engineering system, how to change everything very easily. All will be done. I will keep on meeting you with you because you are my part. Without telling you, without letting you know, I cannot move. Just without leg, I cannot walk. Without my head and face, I cannot talk. In my consciousness, I feel you are with me. Without letting you know, I cannot move. I bow to you. Just be sincere. Let us change system. Never try to have thought of punishment and suspension and termination of any person, any officials who are doing it. They have done big mistake. You cannot believe. People in India, they are telling that all money is going foreign country. They are depositing in Swiss bank. Here in Kriya Yoga Ashram, persons from all over the world, with their willing, it is their deep desire that this place should be for all. They have dedicated, they have donated by their own will. If I will not take, they will have tension. I do not want to increase tension in their life. They helped and wheelchair structure in which patients were living, and they demolished. No money is taken from the government of India. No money is asked from anyone in the world. Program in Canada, in USA, in Australia, in Germany. Program everywhere in the India and the world. There is no entry fees. We never asked any money from anyone. How can I ask money when I give you service? I feel blessed to be with you. I feel blessed to share with everything what I have, because you are my own being. This institution is working with this principle, and we have created nice place to live for all free of cost. Therefore, remember this wheelchair accessible buildings, which is meant for the patient. Wheelchairs persons were living. In that, Canadian doctors were living. American doctors were living. Many others were living. This corrupt officials, they demolished without any order. Without any government order, without any court order, they demolished it. We were having full-fledged order of the Civil Judge Senior Division. That order is existing, and it will exist. Now they have demolished it. This is like something, a robbery. A robbery is done. If they have real court order, they can demolish peacefully. They should have arrested everybody, put in the peaceful place, demolish them, release them. But they come like a robber. You cannot believe. Please see the video. But we do not want punishment of any officer, no termination, no suspension. We want change in system. I will meet you again. Pranam.